Okay, bro.
Okay,
Oh,
see
yo,
you.
man.
Thank
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
It's
All the best,
great.
inshallah.
This Kharbuti number one great.
Yalla, take care, huh?
Okay, thank you
Okay,
very
thank you.
much.
Thank you,
Thank you
brother.
so much.
Bye-bye.
Yalla, you're
Please
welcome.
follow Teacher Ahmed
Yeah.
YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Okay, he's number one teacher here in Oman.
Thank you.
Okay.
How about that, Jamal? Not
Number
good.
one also. Kharbuti.
Yalla, okay.
Okay.
Yalla, حياكم.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Good morning, brother.
Good morning,
How are
teacher
you?
Ahmed. Good, fine.
All right.
Good morning, everyone.
What's your good name, brother?
I'm Richard from the Philippines.
Okay, okay. Welcome, brother. So today you will show us how you're going back, right? From left side or right side, yeah?
With left side.
Yeah, now we're on the left side.
Left side. Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All the best, brother, huh?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yalla. Start. Okay, Mr. Richard, now we're going back. We'll turn for the left. Okay, now our friend, Mr. Richard, his car is going direct in the door center between 8 drums. Yeah. So later, inshallah, we'll ask him what trick he used when he's going backward from the left. All right. Good. الحين وين يروح؟ ها؟ ايوه. Yes, brother, you go again to the right. Right side, yes. So what trick you are using from left?
From left.
Yeah, with the second drum?
I just check the second drum.
Uh-huh.
I should or we should see it fully.
Full, huh?
Yeah, full. Then after that, turn the wheel full left.
Okay, okay. So you will see from the left second drum, it's full, visible full,
Yes, sir.
not 99.
Not 99.
Good. That's why you come center, no?
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
sir.
brother. Now we go right.
Inshallah. Okay.
All the best. No, no, you go inside. From inside,
inside, no
better.
problem?
No, from
Okay.
inside. Yeah. It's allowed for you now. Yes. Because Jamal here. All right, now our friend Richard is going backward from the right. So he will look to the drum number 2. Should be visible from first drum. And he will turn fully right, of course. Okay, in this case, sometimes you come too narrow from the first drum. So you know what you're going to do, of course. If you are too narrow from the first drum, you need to keep the distance between your car bumper and the first drum. This is the tight size, small distance. So Mr. Richard, he will keep the handle back door should be where inside the drum, like that. It's facing the drum from inside. And then of course he will turn fully right. When the both side is straight, from the left, from the right, make sure, okay, you turn your steering straight and go back. That's what you can do. And you can pass your exam. Alright guys, so now we are inside the car with our friend instructor, Mr. Jamal. Is going backward in his car, Nisan Sunny. Alright, when you see already this view from the right like that, okay, you are going to turn, of course, fully right, and you have to look to the right mirror first. You will turn already. You can look also from left, no mind. As always, when you are coming from the right, you have to look to the right. It doesn't matter if you look from left, it's okay. So when the both side is straight, so Mr. Jamal, he already in the door center, he fixed the steering straight, and he go back straight. Yeah, good. Mr. Jamal, the best instructor, he's a professional. We are going backward from the left with the Mr. Jamal, the best instructor in Muscat. See, he's going back. You could keep watching drum number 2. With the first drum, should be this size, like that. The second drum, maybe. Then he will turn fully left. Keep going back, right, slowly. Drive back slowly. Then, when you're already inside the door, check both sides, left and right, yes. Both sides is straight. You're going to fix your steering to straight, and then you can go backward slowly, like that. Thank you, my friend, Mr. Jamal, the good instructor. Thank you, guys, for watching. See you, inshallah, another video. This is Nisan Sunny car, Jamal car. Thank you for watching, guys. See you, inshallah, another video. Thank you. All the best.